Have you ever wondered what secrets the forest holds when no one is looking? Deep among the tall green trees, a world of wonder is waking up. The air smells sweet, like damp earth and fresh pine needles after a soft rain. A gentle breeze whispers through the leaves, carrying tiny sounds from far away. This place is not empty. It is a home, a very busy and important home. Every tree, every leaf, and every small stream plays a part in a much larger story. The forest gives us clean air to breathe and calm places to walk. It is a treasure we must all look after with gentle hands and kind hearts. The sun sends its first golden rays through the thick canopy of leaves, painting stripes of light on the forest floor. Small flowers open to the morning warmth. A beetle climbs a blade of grass, its shiny shell glinting. This is a place of quiet beginnings. Our first friend is a large and powerful animal, the brown bear. With its thick, shaggy fur and strong shoulders, the bear looks like a true king of the forest. But these giants are often quite shy. A mother bear is a wonderful parent, teaching her cubs everything they need to know. One of the most important facts about bears is their amazing sense of smell. They can smell food from many, many miles away. This incredible nose helps them find berries, fish, and other tasty treats hidden deep within the woods. It is a superpower that guides them through the seasons. Imagine a mother bear and her two small cubs near a rushing river. The mother stands very still, her nose twitching in the air. The water is cold and clear, sparkling over smooth, gray stones. She smells fish. With a swift, powerful swipe, she plucks a wriggling salmon from the water. The cubs watch, their little eyes wide with excitement. This is their classroom, and their mother is their teacher, showing them how to find food, how to be patient, and how to live in this wild, beautiful place. Here is a little surprise about our furry friend. We think of bears sleeping all winter in hibernation, but it is not a completely deep sleep. A mother can wake to give birth to tiny cubs inside the warm, safe den, a secret, warm world hidden from the cold snow outside. The bear's life is deeply connected to the rhythm of the woods. When autumn arrives, it eats as much as possible to prepare for winter. Sweet, juicy berries grow all through the forest. By eating these berries, the bear helps the forest. Seeds pass through and are dropped far away, helping new bushes to grow. In this way, the gentle giant helps plant the very food it needs to survive. As the bear settles down, another creature begins its day. It's night. Let us meet the clever and quick red fox. With its bushy tail, pointy ears, and beautiful reddish-orange coat, the fox is a stunning sight. Foxes are very smart and adaptable. A key fact about them is their incredible hearing. A fox can hear the tiny squeak of a mouse from far away, even if the mouse is hiding under a thick blanket of snow. This super hearing allows precise hunting. Picture a fox at the edge of a meadow as twilight paints the sky in purple and orange. The fox stands frozen, listening, its ears turning to catch the faintest sound. Suddenly, a tiny rustle, and with a great leap, it pounces. Dinner for the evening. Now a surprising fact about this clever hunter. Though often seen alone, red foxes have a loving family life. A father fox, called a dog fox, brings food for the vixen and their kits. He plays with them, teaches them to hunt, and to be careful. The family lives in a safe, underground den. The berries the bear helped plant feed mice and voles. Food the fox depends on. In a way, the bear helps to feed the fox. The fox keeps small animals in balance, protecting young plants. Every animal has a role. This hunter's role is vital to the forest's health. When the fox finishes its hunt and the moon climbs high, another creature takes to the air. This is the great horned owl, the silent watcher of the night. With large, glowing yellow eyes and feathery horns, this owl is majestic. Its wings have soft, fringed edges that break up sound. It can fly without making a single sound. Imagine a dark, quiet night. High in an old oak, the owl sits perfectly still. Its head turns to scan the forest floor. A small rabbit feeds unaware. The owl lifts, gliding down. No whoosh, no flutter, only a shadow. Here is the owl's little surprise. Owls cannot move their eyes side to side. To make up for it, their necks turn about 270 degrees, almost like having eyes in the back of their head. The owl hunts many of the same small animals as the fox, competitors who share the forest, one at dusk and dawn, one ruling the deep night. The tall, old trees are a castle in the canopy for this king of the night. As night fades and dawn appears, another animal finishes its work. Down by the stream, we find the beaver. the forest's busiest engineer. Beavers build dams. Using strong teeth, they cut trees and move logs and branches to block streams. This creates a deep, calm pond. Their ponds change the forest around them, creating new homes for plants and animals. Watch the beaver glide. Webbed feet push it along. It dives and brings up mud and stones from the pond bottom, packing the dam with its small front paws. The sound of trickling water is everywhere. But here's the surprise. The entrance to a beaver lodge is underwater, leading up into a dry, cozy chamber. This secret doorway keeps the beaver family safe from predators. The pond provides a home for fish, frogs, and insects. Birds come to drink and hunt. Slow water keeps the forest healthy, storing in drought, easing heavy rains. They use streamside trees that thrive in rich, wet soil. The beaver is a caretaker, an architect who helps everyone. As the sun rises higher, a gentle visitor comes to the water's edge for a morning drink. This is the white-tailed deer, a graceful and shy wanderer of the woods. Known for elegant movements and large, dark eyes, it is a symbol of the forest's peace. Deer are herbivores, eating leaves, twigs, buds, and grasses. Imagine a small family of deer in a sun-dappled clearing. The mother, called a doe, listens for danger. Her fawn's white spots help them blend with the sunlit forest floor. They move with a gentle calm. Here is a little-known surprise. When a fawn is born, it has almost no scent. Predators with amazing noses, like foxes and bears, struggle to find a fawn that lies perfectly still. The mother often feeds far away, so her scent won't reveal her baby. The deer's life connects all parts of this forest. It drinks from the beaver's pond, hides from the bear and the fox, and rests beneath the owl's tall trees. Just as the bear spreads berry seeds, the deer spreads seeds of many plants. Seeds travel on fur or through droppings to new places. Meadows thrive, food for countless small creatures. The quiet wanderer is also a quiet gardener. Every step reinforces a living balance. The air is sweet with leaves and warm earth, and the forest keeps its gentle rhythm. As we look back, we see the forest as a community of living beings. The strong brown bear is also a planter of seeds. The clever fox keeps mice in check, protecting young plants. Each animal helps maintain a delicate balance. Their lives are threads in a beautiful, complex tapestry. The owl shares hunting grounds with the fox, guardians of night and twilight. Down by the water, the beaver is the forest's architect. Wetlands support life, from the smallest dragonfly to the graceful deer. The pond becomes a central meeting place for many residents. The deer prunes and spreads seeds, encouraging new growth. Plants provide food and shelter for all. Trees offer perches, dens, and building material. Nothing is wasted. The fall of a leaf, the digging of a burrow, the birth of a fawn, each part matters. Clean water, fresh air, and rich soil are the foundations of this living world. Our 9 minutes in the woods are coming to a close. We have walked quietly and seen a small glimpse of daily magic. We have met the gentle giant, the swift hunter, the wise watcher, the busy builder, and the quiet wanderer. They showed us how they find food, raise their young, and build their homes, and how deeply they are connected to one another and to the forest. This living world is beauty and peace. The rustle of leaves, the scent of pine, the cool touch of morning mist. The caretakers of this treasure work to keep their home strong. The story is still being written, every moment, every day. We too have a part to play, listening, learning, and caring for these wild places. The wind must be clean. The water must stay pure. By being gentle visitors and students of the forest, we protect it. Our promise is to all life, from the largest bear to the smallest beetle. As we leave the woods, we carry its quiet peace with us. The deer at the water's edge, the sleeping bear cubs, the owl's silent flight, things to be cherished. We share our world with amazing neighbors. The forest is a home, a sanctuary, and a teacher. It has shared its secrets. Now it asks for our care in return. So, the next time you see a forest, what promise will you make to protect it?